Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Amazon seller subscription step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Seller Central. Amazon.com. Sign in with the Amazon account that owns the Seller Central subscription you want to cancel. Make sure you are in the correct marketplace and the correct seller account if you manage more than one. Click the Settings menu in the top right corner of Seller Central. Select Account Info from the drop-down list. On the Account Info page, find the section called Your Services. Click Manage next to Your Services to open your subscription options. Locate the plan information showing Professional Selling Plan or your current subscription. Click Change Plan or Manage Plan depending on what you see on your screen. Choose the option to downgrade from Professional to Individual if your goal is to stop the paid subscription. Read the plan comparison details carefully so you understand fee changes and feature limits. Confirm the downgrade selection when Amazon asks you to verify the change. Check for any message about the effective date of the change and note it. If you want to fully close the seller account, return to Account Info again. Scroll to the section called Account Management. Click Close Account to start the account closure process. Read the checklist and make sure you understand what happens to listings, funds, and access. Confirm that all orders are shipped and there are no pending cancellations or returns to handle. Resolve any negative balance, unpaid fees, or chargebacks shown in your payments or performance notifications. Download important reports and invoices you may need later for accounting or taxes. Remove or disable active listings if Amazon asks you to do so before closing. Check your inventory status and create removal or liquidation orders for any remaining FBA inventory, if applicable. Verify your bank account and credit card information so final settlements can be processed correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit the request to close the account. Complete any identity or security verification steps Amazon may require. Watch for the confirmation message on screen that your request was received. Check your email for a confirmation from Amazon and save it for your records. If you do not receive confirmation, contact seller support from help and ask them to verify the subscription status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.